All right. So today we are baking a whole chicken, or we're gonna roast it in the oven. All right. And so I'm starting off with a whole chicken. I'm starting off with a little lemon pepper seasoning, a little poultry herb blend, some Italian seasoning, and some little Creole seasoning. Got a little onion and a lemon. All right, let's go. All right, so first I'm gonna start with some butter. Get about a stick of butter, half a stick, whatever. And I'm gonna season this butter up. Okay. So now I'm just putting all my seasonings, my little lemon pepper, um, what's this? Italian seasoning, Creole, Creole seasoning, and we're gonna mix it up. Okay, and I'm just gonna mix it up with my hands. It's gonna get a little messy, but hey, my hands are clean. All right, so I'm just mixing it up, the butter and the seasonings. And the butter was at room temperature, so it was already soft. Okay. So now I'm gonna place it in this under the skin of the chicken first. Okay, let me turn it around so y'all can see. All right, so I'm gonna pull that skin up and I'm gonna place this butter underneath the skin. And I already cleaned my chicken. Okay. Just didn't show that part yet. All right, so I'm stuffing that in the chicken. And I'm going to put it on top as well. Spreading that on there. All right. Getting it all the way in there. And it's just going to bring out the flavor in that chicken. It's going to make it nice and flavorful, okay? All right. All right, so now everybody don't do this, but this is something I just did this time. I'm actually going to sear my chicken before I bake it. Okay, so I'm just searing it on both sides. All right, placing it in there. Let it sear for a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to flip it over. Ooh, come on, flip it. Come on, come on. Oh,
Mama,
come on, flip it.
Legacy, chill out.
All right. Come on. All right. Searing it on the back side. Okay, searing that back. All right. Okay, we finna rub a little rosemary on there. Rub that rosemary down. Rub that chicken down with that rosemary. Okay. Put a little onion, put a little lemon. Okay. Just a little more flavor. All right, and I'm putting it in the oven. You can cover it or you don't gotta cover it. I didn't have no aluminum foil, so I'm not covering it. All right. This what it looked like. What y'all think? You see it's seared, it's browned, it's cooked all the way through. I mean, this is looking good. It's looking good. Okay, let's cut it open. Let's cut it. Cut a leg. Oh, oh, oh.
Dang, that mug went right through the
That
bone.
bad boy went all the way.
Holla at me.
Like, look at it. Look at it. Falling off.